Hi, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn your images into a sketch. And you might want to do this because lots of people currently doing their art exams may want to turn their images into an outline to allow them to sketch over it and trace. So first of all, I've got this really simple portrait of this gentleman, and you can see I've got it in my background layer here. Now, before I start, I'm always going to make an additional layer. So I'm just going to click and drag down that layer to the plus sign. And now I've got that background. I can switch it off, but it's safe. So if I make any mistakes, I can always go back. So for this layer here, I'm simply going to go to Filter, Stylize, and down to Find Edges. So initially you might think that's great, that's just what I need, but we can't really see the lines too well. So I'm going to show you lots of different methods of how you can create a lot more contrast. So the first thing is to go up to Levels, which is here, or go up to Image, Adjustments, and go to Levels. And you can see we don't have a lot of black here. You can see by this histogram. So grab this slider here and move it all the way over, so that we can really darken down those blacks. Now you can see if we go too far, we obviously have a lot of blacks in the actual face and cheeks and skin. So you can take this to as far as you want to. So I'm going to take it to about here and then click OK. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom here to this icon and click, and then I'm simply going to change this to black and white. And in doing so, you'll have this additional menu where you can actually move these colours left and right. It will make a small difference to your sketch. It will bring some of those lines out a little bit more or less, depending on your taste. And obviously, if there's any colour in your background. Once you're happy with that, we can then go back up to Levels. And then once again, we can do exactly the same as we did last time and make those lines a bit darker. And the last thing is we can also go up to the filters here, click on the drop down, and we can scroll through these filters to see if these make a big difference and give us something that we would prefer. And as you can see, I'm going down. You can see we've got lots of other different options that you might prefer for your image. You might just prefer something very sketchy like this, or with more detail like this. You can just pick one of these. Obviously that's an inversion of it. I'm probably going to use Colour Burn because that gives a really nice contrast. So once you've finished, to export it, simply go to File, Save as Copy, choose your file name, choose your file where you'd like to save it, choose your file format, and then just click Save. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.